On your iPhone, you use Shadowrocket, but most of you don't have a payment method because this is a paid app. That's not expensive, that's $2 or $3, but the real problem is having payment method outside of China, wherever your Apple ID belongs to. So in this video, I'll guide you how you can use this same Shadowrocket proxies on iOS device without installing this app or without buying the app. And I'll also guide you step by step how to get the perfect subscription. And before moving further, note down that you can alternatively use V2 Box app, which is absolutely free on Apple Store if your Apple Store doesn't belong to China. Here is the step-by-step guide. Go to any of your browser, and on the browser follow this link. This link is in the description. Here you need to register an account. And my initial coupon code is already added, as you can see at the quiz stick. And furthermore, I'm gonna give you another coupon code for further 30% discount. Register with your email account and then log in. You can also register as an anonymous user. Once you log in after the registration process, you will see the interface looks like this. This app is available for Android, Windows, and macOS. You can use the same subscription on all devices without any devices limit. First of all, you need to buy subscription. Go to these three lines. Go to buy subscription. And here you will find lots of different packages. Choose any package, and I recommend you choosing a bigger one. For example, you're gonna buy this package. Here you can choose different payment methods. Alipay and WeChat is accepted, and they also accept TRC20. It means you can pay by cryptocurrency as well. So you don't need to have Alipay and WeChat, which is basically Chinese. So you can pay by cryptocurrency using TRC20, using Binance or any other exchange. Here, important thing is the price you can see is 158. And here you can use my coupon code, which is quiz-stick and number 8. Once you verify, you will see a massive discount. I cannot use it because that's my own personal account. Let me show you on Chrome browser. I register as an anonymous user, buy a subscription, choose any package of your choice, go to buy now, and here you can use coupon code. Remember, this coupon code you can also use to renew any package anytime. Look, 31 RMB gone. Now you can pay using TRC, Alipay or WeChat. Pay now and then go back to your home page. Click here on download client, and you are using iOS device, so just go to download. And here is System VPN. Click on that and continue with System VPN. It will download a profile. Click on this green icon. Click here again. And now it will download a profile. Allow. It says profile has been downloaded. Now close. Go back and open setting. Scroll down a little bit and go to general. Now scroll down and click on VPN and device management. Here is the profile you recently downloaded. Click on that. Install. Give your phone passcode. Now install and install. Now your profile has been installed. Hit OK, go back. Now go to this VPN. And here is the profile. It is directly linked to the account you recently subscribed. Now you can hit connect, and now the VPN is connected. Here you can see in the top right corner as well. Now you are connected. But how you can make sure that which server and which country you are connected to? And in the meantime, how you can change the country and region, because there are so many proxies on this VPN. For that, go back to the browser, or I'm gonna open a new tab. You need to type 6.6.6.6, hit enter, and it will show you your email address, which you use to subscribe, and your current data. You can translate this page into English by going to this option here. Now, it says that you are connected to Japan. Click on that and scroll down. You will see all of the servers. Let's say I want to connect to USA. Just click on that, and now you are connected to United States. Your server has been switched to United States. Check where you are connected to. You can also go to whatismyip.com, or simply you can type VPN 07 shadowrocket.com/IP, and here you can see you are connected to this IP address and you're right now connected to United States. You can always go back and change country or region at this place. But that's it. Start using this great VPN with good speed. Use my coupon codes for discount and thanks me later. Subscribe. I'll see you. Bye.